Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I bring you a 1999 Ford Mustang Roush Stage 2. I'm at Brandon Reed's Auto World in Monroe, North Carolina. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Roush. Start it up, show the engine, as well as get an exhaust clip, show a bunch of features on the interior as well as exterior. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up. On the Roush you do have side exhaust pipes, so I'll only be able to get a clip from one side of the car. This car does have low miles for its age. Have the Roush nameplate, Stage 2. It's got 71,095 miles on it. Sounds fantastic. Gotta love your Mustang. It's a 5-speed. Way over and down for reverse. And we'll go ahead and cut on the headlights and the hazards. Driver's side windows automatic. Gotta love the Roush wing. Anniversary. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. It's a 4.6 liter V8. K&N filter. It's got power, everything. Has the Mach 460 sound system. Power sliding, tilting seat with power lumbar and manual recline. We'll see how it sounds. very cold AC. Nice on a hot day like this. And then we'll turn to that heat. In addition to the Mach 460 audio setup, it also has two 12-inch audio bond subwoofers in the trunk, and I'll show that in just a second. You got your traction control. Sounds awesome. Just pop the trunk. Not bad. Awesome. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. Love it. To release it, press that little button, and you're good. Back seats also fold. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the 1999 Ford Mustang 35th Anniversary Stage 2 Roush. I'm sure stay tuned next time. There's a whole lot more where that came from. Take care guys.